Today, we are going to talk about some of the features of Windows 10. Here, we have the desktop, the icons, and the taskbar. On the taskbar, you will find the Windows button, which is also called the Start button, Quick Launch buttons, the Cortana search bar, icons representing any open programs, shortcuts to Windows features like the volume control, networking, and the time and date. We can tell that Microsoft Word is running because the icon has a line under it. Click on the Windows button to show the Start menu. On the Start menu, you will find buttons on the left for Power, Settings, shortcuts to Pictures and Documents folders, and a link to your account settings. You will also see a list of programs, displaying any recently added or most used programs, as well as many of the programs installed on your computer in alphabetical order. To the right of the list of programs, you will find the live tiles, shortcuts to apps and games. To open a program from the Start menu, just left-click once. To open a program from a shortcut on the desktop, typically you double left-click the icon for the program. Here I've opened the Paint program, and you can see it opens in a window. At the top of the window, we have the title bar, which displays the name of the program, the name of the file that you are working with, or any other information relevant to what is happening in the window. You can move the window around by clicking the title bar and dragging the window. In the upper right hand corner of the window, there are buttons to minimize, maximize, and close the window. Minimizing shrinks the window down to the taskbar. To restore the window, just click on the icon running on the taskbar, or the thumbnail preview of the window. Maximizing the window makes it fill the entire screen. The Close button exits the program. In the upper left of many windows, you will also find another button that gives you access to the same options. At the right side of the window, you will often find a scroll bar. The scroll bar only appears if there is more information to be displayed at the bottom of the window that cannot fit in the window. You can click and drag the scroll bar. Or click the arrows at the top and bottom of some scroll bars. The workspace is all of the area inside the window.